guys, so today I'm going to show you guys a full tutorial on how to request a free unlock code, and this is only applied to AT&T Wireless customers, and I'll be showing you guys step by step from beginning to the end on how to unlock it. So let's go and then Google search it, AT&T unlock code right here. So let's go and then Google search it, AT&T unlock code right here. So you're gonna click on the first one that's on top right here, unlock a phone or device, AT&T device unlock portal. And then you're gonna click on the left hand side, unlock your device, or you can check your unlock status right here on the right hand side. So just click on here, unlock your device, and this is gonna ask you a couple of the questions right here. Are you an AT&T wireless customer? Yes, no. If it's yes, then you're gonna enter your mobile number, existing mobile number that does not have a monthly payment, or could be the previous number that was tied to this iPhone 7. This is the iPhone 7 that I already requested already. And then you're gonna click on the I am not a robot, and then click on yes, I have read the legal stuff and agree to the device unlock eligibility requirement. Or if you want, you can click on no, and then enter the IMEI number. If you don't know your IMEI number, you're gonna enter style pounds 06 pound, and be sure to enter the correct IMEI number that's on the phone, not from your box. And then click on I am not a robot, and then click on yes. Okay, and then that will link you to the next step. So after you enter the IMEI number, it will tell you the make of the phone, and then the model number. This is iPhone 7A as in Apple 1660, and then click on I am not a robot, and then you're gonna click on next. Then you're gonna click on next. So right here you gotta enter your information, your first and last name, your mobile number. The mobile number, they might send you like a text message, but normally just go through the email. So you're gonna enter your email and then confirm the email address. Be sure that's a valid email, because they're gonna send you a link that you're gonna click on it. If you don't click on it, they're not gonna send you the unlock code. And then after that, you're gonna confirm it, and then that's it. You're gonna wait up to sometimes it might take a longer 24 to 72 hours to get your request of the unlock code for free. But the problem is you gotta make sure there's no balance or on the account, or collection, or unpaid bill from your existing carrier. Okay, and if you buy this from eBay or Amazon, you have to make sure that when you buy it, make sure there's no balance on it, or not blacklisted. If it is, then they can unlock it for you. All right, so the next step, I'm going to show you guys on how to connect to the iTunes and then unlock your phone. So be sure you have the original charging cable. This one's the original one, and I try to use the aftermarket one or the third-party one, and then it doesn't work. Okay, so you're gonna plug in this to your charging port. And then you're gonna connect the other end to your Microsoft or the iOS. I'm using the MacBook, so I'm gonna connect it to the USB port. You want to go ahead and open your iTunes and be sure it is updated to the latest version. Gonna plug in right now. Oh, be sure to power on your phone. Hopefully it is charged. Alright, so it is charged. If you have an unlock code or security lock, you gotta unlock it. Alright, there you go. And then on the computer, it says, do you want to allow this computer to access information? Continue. So it says, hopefully this cable is still good. Let me check. Yeah, it's broken right here, bro. This cable, I don't think it's good. I gotta get another one. Okay, now say trust on your phone. I had to hold the cable for a better connection. So right now it's reading your phone. Oh man, download and update. You had to download and update to the latest version. Gotta click on next, agree. Maybe I should turn off the lock code. Go to display. Auto lock. It is on never, so let's see. Touch ID and passcode. Turn the passcode off. iTunes is downloading a software update for this iPhone and will install it when the download is completed. Alright, so it is finally finished. A new version of the iPhone software is available, version 13.4. To update your iPhone with the latest software, click on update. So normally if you want to unlock your phone, you're supposed to restore iPhone. I'm gonna click on update first. So it is extracting the software right now. Alright, I'm going to restore the iPhone first. Somehow when I try to update the newest version, it failed. So let's go and click on restore iPhone. And then afterward, we could just update the iOS from the phone itself. Alright, so my iPhone is restarting right now. It says waiting for iPhone. Verify iPhone, restore it with Apple. So the iPhone is still booting up. So let's let it finish booting up. Now it's finished booting up. So as you can see on my iPhone, it says hello, hola, and it says your iPhone software is up to date. iTunes will automatically check for an update again on April 6, 2020. So I got this Cricket Wireless or Sprint. I'm gonna test it out. This one is Sprint. What? Alright, so apparently some of my iPhone 7 didn't complete the unlock code from last time. So I just submitted unlock code request from AT&T, and within less than 2 minutes I got a confirmation saying that my unlock request has been successfully. So now I'm going to show you guys there are two ways to unlock your iPhone, either with a new SIM card or with your existing AT&T card. So the second email that I'm going to show you guys that came from AT&T, it says use a non-AT&T SIM card, remove your SIM card and insert a new SIM card, complete the setup process. Second step is using an AT&T card, back up your iPhone. When you have a backup, erase your iPhone, restore your iPhone from the backup you just made. So I'm gonna go open my iTunes now. So since I restored it earlier without the iPhone 7 got even unlocked, so I'm gonna click on this time and see what happened. It should automatically unlock it. Let me do the backup first and then restore it, because that's what it says on the instruction. Back up your iPhone. When you back up, it says erase your iPhone and then restore your iPhone, but I don't see any erase your iPhone. But you have to be sure your iTunes is up to date, and then your iOS on your iPhone is up to date as well. So I have the existing AT&T SIM card in there right now. So yeah, once you request for a free unlock code, be sure to click on the link. I either must missed it or enter the wrong IMEI number. So on the iPhone 7, it's showing the apple with the bar moving to the right. So it's almost finished. So once you restore it, and you should say your iPhone has been unlocked. Oh, there you go. Your iPhone has restored to factory setting. There you go. Success. Your iPhone has been unlocked. To set up and sync this iPhone, click continue. So I'm going to show you guys a video. Then I'm going to insert a different SIM card in there to confirm the iPhone has been unlocked. Alright, so right now I'm going to insert a Sprint SIM card, just like earlier, because earlier it showed me that the iPhone has locked. So right now I'm going to remove the AT&T SIM card now, and I'm going to insert the Sprint SIM card. So we are good because I did not have any of the pop-up message. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for the notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys follow my step to get your free unlock code from AT&T. Don't pay any other people to do the unlocking service for you. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.